Hi, I'm Jeff with Motion Pro, introducing you to our Titan throttle tubes today. Now, the Titan throttle tubes are some of the smoothest feeling and toughest throttle tubes available in the market. Now, the key to their success is the proprietary composite construction of these throttle tubes. That gives it a very low coefficient of friction against the handlebar while maintaining a high level of durability. What that means is that in a crash scenario where a traditional plastic throttle tube would break or an aluminum throttle tube dents and seizes to the handlebar, the Titan throttle tube continues to perform at a high level of performance. On that note, the Titan throttle tubes are used exclusively by the factory KTM and factory Husqvarna off-road racing teams. The low friction interface between the Titan throttle tubes and your handlebar provides a really nice, smooth and crisp feeling on the throttle and won't gall against the handlebar like an aluminum tube will. Titan throttle tubes are available for most modern 2- and 4-stroke off-road motorcycle applications and even come standard in the Motion Pro Rev 2 throttle system for off-road applications. They're affordably priced and even backed by a lifetime limited warranty. That's correct. If you manage to break one in a crash, we'll go ahead and send you a replacement absolutely free of charge. I personally install these on all my dirt bikes and I can confidently tell you they've never left me stranded. So go ahead and pick one up for yourself today. They're available from powersports retailers nationwide.